siblings draw us. Okay, so they usually use different colors, so I'm gonna use these. And we always look weird, so. Okay. We have a really big head, and a long body, and small legs and arms. And our hands usually look like that. This is like too perfect, though. Like that. And our eyes are usually like dark holes, and so is our mouth. And our ears are usually bigger than our head, so we look like monkeys. And our hair's like that. No matter if you're a boy or girl, it doesn't matter. They'll still draw you like that. Others draw you like this. This is too perfect. Sometimes they don't even give you a face. Matter of fact, no face. To be colored in. And that's pretty much how we look to them. We have big heads, you know. Or sometimes they give you a small body, but really big hands, you know. And they only give you 3 fingers. And your hair looks really weird. Sometimes they don't even give you ears or a face. And they'll draw you like this with your mouth open. That's a family right there. It's a beautiful family. I'll call this one. This one's a boy, so I'm going to call it Bobby, Jimmy, and Sally. This is a happy family. Thank you for your time. Crap, I'm videotaping!
Baby, you my everything, you all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever, I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best.